Hey there, DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to my kitchen faucet channel. Today, we're going to show you how to replace a Delta RP73000 diamond valve cartridge. If your Delta faucet is leaking, has low water pressure, or isn't working properly, replacing the valve cartridge is the solution. Let's get started. Tools and materials: a new Delta RP73000 diamond valve cartridge, an adjustable wrench, Phillips and flathead screwdrivers, Allen wrench, usually 1/8 inch, plumber's grease, optional, a towel or rag, a bucket or bowl to catch any water drips. Step 1. Turn of water supply. First things first, we need to turn off the water supply to the faucet. Look under your sink and locate the hot and cold water shut-off valves. Turn them clockwise until they're fully closed. If your sink doesn't have shut-off valves, you may need to turn off the main water supply to your home. Now, turn on the faucet to release any remaining water in the lines. Step 2. Remove the faucet handle. Next, we'll remove the faucet handle. Find the set screw, usually on the side or underneath the handle. Use your Allen wrench to loosen the screw and carefully lift the handle off. If it's stuck, try gently wiggling it back and forth. Step 3. Remove the bonnet nut and cartridge. Now, take off the decorative cap if your faucet has one. Then, use an adjustable wrench to unscrew the bonnet nut. Be careful not to scratch the finish. Once the nut is removed, you should see the Delta RP73000 cartridge. Pull it straight out. If it's stuck, use pliers to gently wiggle it free. Step 4. Install the new RP73000 cartridge. Now it's time to install the new cartridge. Check that it's the correct model, Delta RP73000. If you want smoother operation, apply a small amount of plumber's grease to the O-rings. Align the new cartridge properly, making sure it fits snugly into place. Step 5. Reassemble the faucet. Once the cartridge is in place, screw the bonnet nut back on and tighten it securely with your wrench. Then, reattach the handle and tighten the set screw. Give it a little test movement to ensure everything is secure. Step 6. Turn on water and test. We're almost done. Now, turn the water supply back on by slowly opening the shut-off valves. Check for leaks around the faucet base. If everything looks good, turn on the faucet and test both hot and cold water. And that's it. You've successfully replaced your Delta RP73000 diamond valve cartridge. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more home improvement tips, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.